All right, so we're looking at example one, and it says write an equation for the sentence. Now, I'm showing this example, but if you're doing a practice problem or something, it's not going to be exactly like this. So I'm just going to show you sort of my thought process and steps. First things first, any numbers I have that aren't numbers, I'm going to write what number they are above. So 20, I'm writing 20, 7 is good, x is good, x is good. Those are variables. If it said something like a number and it didn't give me a letter for that variable, I would put an x above that. Now, we are looking for any words that tell us an operation, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And being careful because some words tell you certain things. Like, for instance, minus is an easy one, right? Minus is minus. Quotient, which a lot of us have problems with, means division, specifically between the two things on either side of the and after the quotient. And I'm going to show you guys a very special way to write that. But we've talked about a lot of this. What's new is that the phrase is the same as means equals. Is the same as or just is when you're taking an equation to write as a sentence is equals. So there are no words here like is less than or is more than that tell us backwards. So we can just write it as we see it. So it's going to be 20 minus, that's the color I want to give me a second, minus. Now, another way to write the division problem besides using parentheses for a special word is going to be 7. This line, the fraction line, means division. 7 divided by x equals x. Another way to write this, if you don't like writing it like that, you could totally write it like this if you're attached to the division symbol. But if you see a fraction, we could use the word quotient for that. So that's how I would do example 1.